Hi everyone, my name is Navard Mukherjian. I'm a clinician here at Simi Psychological Group, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 undeniable reasons as to how couples therapy is effective. In today's world, most of us are super busy, whether it's work, whether it's dropping kids off in their extracurricular activities or school, or them hanging out with their friends. So, offering online couples therapy can be effective in that way that it's convenient. So, this doesn't need to be a session that's after work, especially if you and your partner have similar lunch schedules. This can be something that we can do once a week during your lunch. So, this isn't something that's going to take away so much of your time. If we do have in person therapy, there comes in commuting and having to schedule 30 minutes before, 30 minutes after. So it no longer becomes a 50-minute process, it becomes a 2-hour process because now we're thinking about, okay, I have to have time to get there, then I have to have time to get back. So we're eliminating that stress by offering online couples therapy because you and your partner can join wherever you are as long as you have Wi-Fi and confidentiality and privacy is taken into consideration. We can have our sessions wherever you are and wherever your partner is, so you no longer have to be together at the same time. Another thing that this is online couples therapy is helpful towards is having a neutral ground. Sometimes when we're having difficult moments with our partner, it can be hard for us to try to understand what they're going through, especially when we're also feeling certain feelings ourselves. For example, one of the most common things I hear with my couples is we're constantly having the same fight. We're constantly fighting about the same thing. And if that's a feeling that you're getting with your partner, it's probably signs that there's not a lot of active listening happening. There's not a lot of active understanding happening. So with a couples therapist, they can provide you that neutral space, that space where you feel heard, where you feel validated, and the couples therapist will help guide that conversation in a more helpful and effective way. So not only you feel heard, but you can also try to understand your partner's perspective and your partner's feelings as well. And lastly, the third reason as to how couples therapy is effective is you can be supported individually as well. So sometimes what I also do in sessions with my couples is, for example, let's say one of the couples is having a harder time understanding a situation or understanding their own partner's feelings. The clinician will individually work with you in that room, but also your partner will be sitting in that room as well, absorbing all of this information, absorbing maybe your vulnerabilities that maybe you haven't shared individually with that partner of yours. And the clinician is going to try their best to help not only you get that work and challenge those feelings and work through those feelings, but also show your partner ways to help you in those moments that maybe are a little bit more triggering for you or a little bit anxiety provoking for you. And it's a way for your partner to also learn their partner's own kind of feelings and past experiences that have led them to be this way today. To kind of sum everything up that I'm talking about today is couples therapy online can be effective in many ways, but the top 3 ways that I've seen it be effective in my sessions with my couples is that it can be a neutral ground for you and your partner to work through your differences together in a healthy way. It can be convenient due to the crazy schedule most of us have. And lastly, it can be something that you can work on individually while having the support of your partner next to you as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen today. And if you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are all here to help. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.